During a recent team gathering, Chet Holmgren became the center of attention with a hilarious hoverboard incident. Known for his on-court grace, Holmgren playfully challenged teammates to follow him, only to sway uncontrollably when the hoverboard hit a bump. His dramatic fall into a pile of plush toys turned an ordinary team meeting into a playful spectacle. Teammates erupted in laughter, highlighting Holmgren's humorous side as he expertly turned the mishap into a playful mime act. Viewers are invited to share their own hoverboard calamities, engaging both basketball enthusiasts and a general audience with this unique and entertaining narrative.